Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting essentials ready. Power the device, open the Google Home app on the same Wi-Fi, and make sure you're signed in. Once done, find the Nest Home's physical reset button or the touch area. Locations vary by model, so check the base or back. Press and hold the button for about 10 seconds. You'll hear a chime or see the LED pattern change. This physical reset clears local settings so the unit can be reconfigured from scratch. Next, switch to the Google Home app to complete the process and remove the device from your account. Select the device, go to Settings and choose Remove or Factory Reset. Some Nest models allow reset from the app instead of the button. Make sure you watch the device LEDs and listen for the voice confirmation that the reset finished. If the app shows progress, be patient and wait a few minutes. The device must erase settings and reboot fully before you proceed. Finally, re-provision the Nest Home by opening Google Home, tapping the plus sign, and choosing Setup Device. Follow the on-screen prompts to join Wi-Fi and sign in. The app walks you through linking services and restoring routines. Make sure to check for a firmware update after setup so the device runs current software. If something goes wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Power cycle your router and the Nest. Then attempt the alternate reset method, button versus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.